Semantic search lets us use natural language to find what we need, whether the footage comes from a Hanwha camera or a third-party OnVIF device, and whether that camera is an AI or non-AI camera. First, let's focus on Hanwha AI cameras and see what the camera is doing. In View, pull up a sample layout. You can see the cameras working hard on every single frame, identifying vehicles, people, faces, license plates, and other objects. It sends these snapshots, called best shot, over to the appliance, so semantic search can be performed on them later. Now let's look for something. Go back to Home and search for objects. Before we use semantic search, let's try the AI metadata search first. I'll look for a person carrying a hose, seen on one camera on July 9th. Let's select that camera. I don't want to search all of them, just that one. The date was July 9th, and I'm looking for people. It tells me it spotted 341 individuals that day. With luck, I could find the person carrying the hose among them, but that would take a while. Let's use semantic search to narrow that search down a little. I'll search on the same camera, on the same single day. But this time, let's write it in natural language to leverage the power of semantic search. As the results come in, I can sort them by confidence or group them by time. And there's the exact moment I'm looking for. That's the difference about using AI semantic search with Blaze. Semantic search also works on non-AI cameras as well as third-party OnVIF devices. This time, let's run a couple of semantic searches. Click on Semantic Search. Select an indoor and an outdoor camera. There's an indoor A-series camera with no AI, and a third-party OnVIF device from a different vendor, also with no AI. Let's search over the last 24 hours. Let's do the outdoor search first. We'll search for a white Tesla. After a few seconds it finishes, or I can stop the search early. I can change how I group the hits, or sort them by confidence. Let's review one of these. Let's make it larger. There we go. There's our Tesla. Let's also search that A-series camera for something else. This time, person on cell phone. Let's open it up in a new tab again. Here is the man we searched for. This approach overcomes the limitations of traditional search, enabling more detailed results. And that's how you use semantic search on non-AI and third-party cameras.